Good day to all my dear students. Today you're going to learn Chapter 3 The Liar by Mulkraj Anand. Okay? So, before learning about this short story, The Liar by Mulkraj Anand, let me say a short introduction about the author Mulkraj Anand. Mulkraj Anand was born on 12th December 1905 in Peshawar. He was a prominent Indian author who has written novels, short stories, and critical essays in English. He first gained wide recognition for his novels Untouchable in 1935 and Coolie in 1936. Okay. So his other major works are The Village in 1939 and The Sword and the Sequel in 1942. He also edited magazines and journals. He was a recipient of the Civilian Honor of Padma Bhushan in 1968. One of the pioneers of Indo-Anglian fiction, he with R.K. Narayan and Rajarao was one of the first India-based writers in English to gain international leadership. Okay, so in this short story, The Liar by Mulkraj Anand, Labu. Okay, so this Labu is the important character who played a very important role in this short story, The Liar. Okay, so why this character Labu is described as a liar in this short story? Because the stories which he was in strange and it was very adventurous, and it consists of several types of creatures from other world. Okay, so one day when Labu was telling the narrator a story, Labu called him as a fool, okay, and liar, because everyone in the village called him as the liar. So that's way our writer Mulkraj Anand has described the character Labu as the liar. Okay, so Labu, the old shikari of the village, was born liar. Therefore, he had earned the reputation of being the storyteller. Okay, and though a sweeper of a low caste, he was honored by all and sundry. He was tolerated even to the extent of being given a seat at the foot of the banyan tree. Okay, so why the narrator fascinated by Labu and his stories, which means Labu, which means this liar, he had the ability to take the mundane things and convert them into the adventurous tales. Okay, so however, all through the story of Labu, he had never told lies. Okay, and he used his imagination to amuse others. So that's way Labu was assisted those who had listened to him to flee from the life for a transitory moment and enter an enchanted world. Okay, so next in this short story, The Liar, we will be having the theme of storytelling, friendship, innocence, respect, and jealousy. Okay, so taken from the short story collections of our writer Mulkraj Anand, this short story, The Liar, is narrated in the first person. Okay, so by a young boy called Acha. Okay, so Acha is also the important character who was introduced by our writer in this short story, The Liar. Okay, so the story will be realizes about Anand. So he may be exploring. So the theme of storytelling. So next is our character Labu. Okay, so this Labu has the ability to take the Mudani and turn it into an adventurous tale. So something that or interviews the narrator. So however, it is noticeable that sometimes this character Labu tales are so fanciful that the narrator does not believe them and search as it terminates. Okay. And terminates about the friendship with whom our character Labu. Okay, so it is as though the narrator he does not wish to be taken as a fool, which may be important as it is possible that Anand is suggesting when it comes of storytelling, not every listener of a tale will believe as it is a storytelling. Okay, and so they feel as though that storytelling will be exaggerating and it will be at the point in which the story it will become very unrealistic one. Okay, so it is very important as possible that Anand is suggesting that when it comes to the storytelling, not every listener of a tale will believe the storyteller. Okay, so the listener they will listen the story. Okay, so though it is very noticeable that our character Labu is able to keep the narrator enthralled. Okay, so which for the storyteller would be their primary goal, so to keep either the listener or a reader to be very captivated by what they are being told. So here our writer Mulkraj Anand he focuses on friendship. Okay, which means a bond of friendship. Okay, so the bond or friendship is between our narrator and Labu. Okay, so they can be seen by the fact that they forgot the disagreement when Labu returns from his hunting trip. So, if anything, the narrator is genuinely concerned about Labu's well being. The fact that Labu is not well might and also be important as through his illness, and Labu is able to produce another fantastical tale which keeps the narrator mesmerized. Okay, so what's the sensing of the reader? The reader sensing that the narrator is holding on to every word that Labu is telling him. First one. Okay. So second one is the fact that narrator is still young, which might also be very significant as there is a sense that he is still innocent of the world and as such he believes a lot of what Labu tells to him. Okay, so that is the second point. And third point is also the narrator's mother, she does not mind the narrators listening to Labu, and even though Labu is of lower caste. Okay, so this particular guy belongs to which caste? He belongs to lower caste. Okay, so which may suggest that in many ways there are some like this narrator's mother. Yes, so who will be seeing only the advantages of Labu by telling his stories. So it might be very possible that narrator's mother has a respect for whom? Our character Labu. Okay, so the title, what's our title of the story? The Liar. Okay, so a title of the story The Liar is very interesting one. Okay, so there is no doubt that Labu is called a liar. So from in beginning itself I informed you about the characterization of our character Labu. Yes, so it is what in reality every storyteller they could be called as a liar. Okay, so for every story there may be a lie, there may be a truth. Okay, so it is what a person can take from a story which is very important, and the narrator he takes a lot of happiness from listening to whom? Our character Labu. Okay, so Labu is well versed in saying stories to others. Okay, so it is very significant that Labu, he shows a degree of honesty. Okay, honesty. Okay. Next, it is of very ironic of considering that Labu is the liar. So, however, throughout the story, The Liar by Mulkraj Anand, Labu has told no lies. Okay, but he was called as a liar. Okay, our character Labu is described as a liar by our writer Mulkraj Anand. So this liar, which means our Labu, has helped those who are listened to him to escape from life for a brief moment and to enter a magical world. Okay, so these are about the short story The Liar by Mulkraj Anand. Okay, I have told you a deep explanation about this short story The Liar. Okay, so my dear students, till chapter 3, it's there for your first internal exam. Well prepared for it? Good luck. Thank you.